wanted to show you the what we're working up against as far as solar power goes. And I wanted to show you the line inside the box over there at that corner. And it shows how this whole side of the box is in shadow. And that little bit of the box is in sunlight. And since sun is our power, we've got to find a way to angle the box out so that we can get more of that sun usage. Two more eggs from the young pullets. This one's from Cleo, she's an Americana, and this one's from Allie, she's a white leghorn. It's the only two that are laying right now. I've got 13 hens. One's too old, so say 12. But the other ones are too young, I guess, to be laying. But I'm getting eggs every day from these two. Pretty much every day, either morning or afternoon. Well, I cut through this piece of metal right here with my Cutco shears, and then I took these and popped it off there's a little flange inside, and I squished it up, and then that popped off. I can't think of anything I can use this for. And that opens that up right there. I need a little screw right here to undo that. Go. Oh, nothing wrong with that. We'll keep that. Oh, that's really my first look into the water heater I scavenged. Ooh, nasty. I don't know if this is going to be salvageable or not, but there's an awful lot of rust buildup on it, and it has to hold that pressure inside. So anyway, I'll keep hacking away on it. See what it has to tell me. This has really been through the route. Look how rusty that lid is. Whew. Believe it or not, I'm actually making more progress with my Cutco shears than I am with the tin snips, so I'm going to keep doing it with those. Okay, I'm down to my last ½ an inch here, so I thought I'd turn the camera back on. There we go. Oh, well, the main body of it doesn't look too bad, but boy, that bottom doesn't look good. But I'm not gonna give up on it yet. Let's see how she goes. I'll take it apart and look at it a little better before I make any final decisions. Okay, I went and got my gloves because all this is rusty and all filled with fiberglass, which is not fun. That went into the trash. Not messing with that stuff. I do have to figure out a good use for this. I may just end up taking that to the dump, I don't know yet. But in the meantime, it's going into the metal yard. I have a yard that's just metal, and the dogs are fenced off from it, and it's in the southwest corner over there, and this is going into there, but first I got to clear a path so nobody gets nicked on these rusty edges. This is one side of the tank, and I think, oh, not so bad. So I've got some of its fixtures, a little rusty around here, not too sure about that. But all in all, I don't think too bad. Then I go on this side. Yeah. Kind of nasty. It looks to me, and I could be wrong, that maybe the seam blew right here. And all this rust and everything was accumulating on the back side of the water heater. All the way down. I'm going to take a sander to it and see what's underneath. But I'm pretty sure that this seam is shot. And if it is, it does me no good. This particular water heater probably isn't going to be any good for me.